Online advertising promotes brands, increases sales, and meets consumer demand through digital channels. Today, we'll delve with the process of planning and implementing online advertising. As previously mentioned, online advertising may have the goal of increased brand awareness or increasing sales. Make sure they are closely tied to your goals, since these are the elements that allow you to know if you're succeeding. Select websites frequented by your target audience, influencing payment models and creative choices. Effective placement considers interaction or conversion likelihood. Opt for niche sites with smaller, focused audiences for display flexibility, noting potential bandwidth costs. Various online advertising channels allow dynamic budget management, enabling decisions on payments for clicks, actions, impressions, engagement, and more. When creating online ads, remember ACE: attract attention, convey a message, and entice action. Ensure your ads have a clear, concise call to action. Plan an appropriate landing page for your destination URL to guide visitors to product information and avoid directing them to the homepage. Once everything is set, launch your ads and track your expenses closely. Monitor the return on your investment and gather valuable data from your online advertising campaign. Utilize this data to optimize your campaign and improve your returns. Define your online ad campaign's goal. Align KPIs, research target audience, and sites. Set a suitable budget, craft engaging ads, and implement with clear calls to action. Track expenses, analyze data for optimization, and measure success through conversions and revenue, utilizing insights for better targeting. For more insights and strategies, don't forget to visit our website.